Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my bathroom and I'd like to take you back on the before, the way the bathroom was and the way I transformed the bathroom. And guys, as you can see the bathroom was, so if you want to see the full detail, I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. And guys, today's video is in collaboration. As you can see, I have my little stand that you can use to put cleaning brush and other stuff. So I'm not going to use this one in the video today. And what I'm going to use today is the toilet paper holder. Guys, this is a new addition to my bathroom, which I like it and it's very functional. If you are someone that living in a small apartment and you have a small bathroom, you need extra storage, this one might be very helpful to you. And as you can see, I'm going to put everything together. And guys, this is my bathroom. This is the way I transform it. And guys, I really love the way my bathroom is right now. And guys, as you can see, I show you previously the way the bathroom was, and I'm so in love with it, the way I transform it right now. As you can see, it's fall. I just wanted to add a little fall vibe on it. I didn't want to overdo because you know guys, Christmas is around the corner. I just want to do a decor where I'm going to transition to Christmas. It will be like easy transition. And guys, this is the toilet paper holder. And what I like about it, because it doesn't take too much space. And the fact it has a storage make it very functional for me. As you know, I live in a small apartment, so storage is my main priority. I want to have anything that in my home, I have to be able to store things in it. As you can see guys, and it's easy for you to open and easy to close. Very easy. So it's a nice to have if you are in the market for toilet paper. It's a nice to have. As you can see, you can put your stuff. I didn't put nothing on it today, but it's nice to have this option available to you if you on the market for something like that. Guys, I really like this shower curtain because it has the gold, the gray, the white, the marble. It's very nice. I picked it up from Diddy's a while back, but I never use it. And this time I said, okay, I'm going to use it because it's very beautiful and everything goes perfectly together.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the
this shelf from Burlington, and I like it because I'm able to put more decor in the bathroom, make the bathroom more pretty. And those flowers, I wanted to bring the same color that I have in my bathroom, in my bedroom. And it's pretty. As you can see, my bedroom, the bed sheet, the comforter is more like a light yellow. So I really like it. So that's why I just add these flowers in my candles and everything, just make it more like fall and not to overdo. Okay guys, what do you think? Let me know down below, what do you think? And this is the other part of my bedroom. I have the same curtain that I have in the bathroom. And guys, as you see, my DIY, and I love using fur. I don't have the real one, but this is the full fur. I love it. Make my bathroom look more expensive. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue, mon ami ainsi. Je vous en prie guys, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je transforme ma salle de bain pour l'automne. Et si vous aimez guys, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français, ça me fait un grand plaisir. Et n'hésitez pas de checker la boîte de description si vous avez besoin de quelque chose dans la vidéo. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amis pour votre support. Je vous aime. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, bienvenue sur channel moi. Sur la première fois, moi je te bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci guys. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Dans vidéo ça montre nous qui j'aime décorer salle de bain moi. Et si gen n'importe bagay nous remen dans vidéo nous ta remen gen, s'il vous plaît checker boîte description hein. Ou avez tout ce qu'on besoin dans vidéo que vous remen. Et à tout abonnez moi, merci un peu pour support nous, moi remen nous.
But sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Okay guys, that was all for today and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!